Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of trying new habits that just don't stick? What if I told you there are 10 simple, science-backed lifestyle changes you can make right now that are almost guaranteed to improve your life? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around, because these tips will improve your lifestyle. Before we dive in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on life-changing content like this. Let's get started with number 10. The 10-minute rule. We all have days where we feel completely unmotivated. The task ahead seems huge, whether it's working out, cleaning the house, or tackling a project. The 10-minute rule is your secret weapon against procrastination. Just commit to doing the task for only 10 minutes. That's it. Set a timer. Anyone can do something for 10 minutes, right? What happens is fascinating. Once you start, the momentum often carries you forward, and you end up working for much longer. It's a psychological trick that bypasses the initial resistance our brains put up. You're not committing to a 2-hour workout. You're just committing to putting on your shoes and jogging for 10 minutes. It's a game changer. Number 9 is a big one. Hydrate before you caffeinate. So many of us roll out of bed and head straight for the coffee maker. But think about it. You've just gone 6 to 8 hours without any water. Your body is dehydrated. Drinking a large glass of water first thing in the morning rehydrates your system, kickstarts your metabolism, and helps flush out toxins. It can also improve your energy levels and brain function. Coffee is a diuretic, which can dehydrate you further. By having water first, you're setting your body up for success. Wait about 15 to 30 minutes after your water, and then enjoy your coffee. You'll feel a noticeable difference. Coming in at number 8. Practice mindful eating. This isn't about dieting. It's about your relationship with food. How often do you eat while scrolling on your phone, watching TV, or working? When you do that, you're not paying attention to your body's signals of hunger and fullness. Mindful eating means focusing on your meal. Savor each bite, notice the flavors, the textures, the smells. Chew your food thoroughly. By doing this, you'll not only enjoy your food more, but you'll also become more aware of when you're actually full, which can prevent overeating and improve digestion. Put your phone away, turn off the screen, and just be present with your plate. Number 7 is to schedule worry time. This might sound strange, but hear me out. If you're someone who struggles with anxiety or constant worrying, your thoughts can hijack your entire day. Instead of letting them run wild, schedule a specific 15-minute block of time each day to worry. When a worried thought pops up outside of that time, acknowledge it and tell yourself, I will think about this during my scheduled worry time. This technique, used in cognitive behavioral therapy, helps you contain your anxiety instead of letting it control you. When your worry time arrives, let yourself think about all those concerns. Often, you will find that many of them have lost their power or seem less daunting when faced head-on in a controlled environment. Next up, number 6, the one-touch rule for clutter. Our homes can quickly become messy, which can actually increase our stress levels. The one-touch rule is simple. When you pick something up, deal with it immediately, instead of putting it down to handle later. When you take off your coat, hang it up right away. When you get the mail, sort it. Immediately trash the junk. File the bills. Don't just put the pile on the counter. Each time you move an item from one Toto spot to another, you're creating more work for your future self. By handling it just once, you keep your space tidy and your mind clear. It takes a little discipline at first, but it quickly becomes an effortless habit that prevents clutter from ever building up. Let's move on to number 5. Read for 20 minutes a day. And I don't mean scrolling through social media. I mean reading a physical book or an ebook. Reading is one of the best workouts for your brain. It reduces stress, improves concentration, expands your vocabulary, and boosts your knowledge on any topic you choose. It's also a fantastic way to wind down before bed, as it helps you disconnect from screens. The blue light from our phones and tablets can interfere with our sleep, but a book can help signal to your body that it's time to rest. Whether it's fiction, nonfiction, or a biography, making time for reading is an investment in your mental well-being and personal growth. Number 4 is all about movement. Embrace exercise, snacking. The idea that you need a solid hour at the gym to get results is a myth that stops many people from even starting. Exercise snacking involves breaking up your physical activity into small, manageable chunks throughout the day. Maybe it's 10 minutes of stretching in the morning, a brisk 15-minute walk during your lunch break, and doing some squats or push-ups while you wait for dinner to cook. These small bursts of activity add up, and studies show they can be just as effective for your health as one long workout. It keeps your metabolism active, improves your mood, and makes fitness feel accessible, not intimidating. At number 3, we have the practice of gratitude journaling. This is another incredibly powerful, yet simple habit. Every day, either in the morning or before you go to sleep, write down 3 to 5 things you're grateful for. They don't have to be big things. It could be the taste of your morning coffee, a nice conversation with a friend, or the feeling of the sun on your skin. This practice literally rewires your brain to focus on the positive. It shifts your perspective from what's wrong in your life to what's right. Over time, this can significantly increase your happiness, reduce stress, and improve your overall outlook on life. You're training your brain to scan for the good, and what you focus on expands. Number 2 is a crucial one for our digital age. Create a no-phone zone or a digital sunset. Our brains need time to disconnect and recharge, but we're constantly bombarded with notifications and information. Designate a specific time each evening, say an hour or 2 before bed, where you put all your devices away. Use this time to read, talk with your family, listen to music, or work on a hobby. This digital sunset not only improves your sleep quality by reducing blue light exposure, but it also allows you to be more present in your own life. It helps you reclaim your time and attention from the endless scroll, fostering deeper connections and a sense of calm. Finally, number 1. Learn to say no. This is a lifestyle change that protects your most valuable resource, your energy. We often say yes to things out of obligation, guilt, or a fear of missing out. But every time you say yes to something that doesn't align with your goals or well-being, you're saying no to something that does. Learning to set boundaries and politely decline requests that drain you is not selfish. It's essential for self-preservation. Start small. Say no to one small thing this week. Notice how it feels. Protecting your energy allows you to show up as your best self for the things that truly matter to you. So there you have it, 10 proven lifestyle changes that can have a massive impact on your health, happiness, and productivity. Remember, you don't have to implement all of them at once. Take it step by step at a time. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you the most and start there. The key is consistency, not perfection. Thank you so much for watching this video. Which of these habits are you most excited to try? And if you have any ideas for more health content, please let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our videos and more. Content to help you live your best life. Until next time, take care of yourself and live healthy.